Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I'm gonna do a video on what happens. You can see garage door won't close. There's no blockages, so the sensors need to be lined up. I'm gonna show you the best way to do that. So in order for your garage door opener to work and excuse all the cobwebs and everything else that's built up there over years, this side has an orange light. You need to make sure that orange light is lit, and it's, for the most part, is pretty forgiving. And you got like a little screw that you can loosen up and you can twist it and you can move it up and down. There's a little bit of play there. But on one side, there's going to be a less forgiving light, and that is the one that's lit green. As you can see, when I put my finger in front of it, it blacks out. So if it's not lighting up green, your door's not going to be able to close. So you're going to need to align it. And the easiest way to do that is to do what I'm doing in the video, is just put your phone down with the camera facing towards it, and bingo, you're done. So mine's got a green light there, orange light there. I should be able to close the door now. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.